If you want to become a successful salesperson, if you want to become most influential salesperson, if you want to shift in the 1% club of any enterprise, any organization or any company in sales department, then you are on the right channel, you are on the right video. In this video, I am going to share 6 successful steps to become a successful salesperson. 6 steps to become a successful Salesforce person, most influential Salesforce person. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. I am Pranshu, Agrawal, business coach, entrepreneur and influencer marketing specialist. So let's start the video. Okay, first point is that you have to take the ownership of the things. When you are doing when you are pursuing your sales journey, you have any product or services to sell out in the market. Okay, but what you are doing actually, you are working in any company, in any organization or any enterprise for which you are generating sales. What does generating the sales means? You are just driving the revenue to the company, and after that you will get your payout, your income, your salary. But before that, if you don't take the ownership of your things like faults, mistakes, success, or what are the things are running in that company, is this your fault? Is this your mistake? Is this your success? Then you are not going to be a better salesperson in that journey. When you want to become a better salesperson, in order to do that, you have to take the ownership of all the things. Whatever the efforts you are making, whatever the results you are getting, whatever the success you are getting, whatever the things you are getting, take the ownership of that thing. When you take the ownership, you think that this is my company, this is my business, this is my enterprise, this is my product or services. When you think like that, when you are presenting your idea, your product or services to any prospect, then you think this is mine, and you are going to share each and every valuable content regarding those product or services. Let me know one thing. In one scenario, you are just sharing the information. In second scenario, you are understanding the customer and you are sharing valuable information regarding your product or services to the customer. In which case you will close the deal, in which case you will get the money at the end of the sales conversation. In second one, what? You are sharing the valuable information regarding your product or services. That person are not interested that what are the ingredients you use in that product or services. That person is interested what are the benefits that person will get after purchasing that product or services. When you take the ownership of the things, you will deliver more valuable content to the prospects. Okay, take the ownership of the things and you will get massive result. The most important quality of a salesperson is salesperson are appreciative in nature. Yes, when they are doing conversation with their prospect, they generally give compliments to their prospects. Why? It make their prospects feel lighter, feel relaxed and more cheerful. Let's suppose you are appreciating any person regarding their skill set, regarding what are the things they have, and what does a compliment do? It generally brings a smile on the face of the prospect. Okay, when you are able to make a smile, when you are able to make that prospect smile, then there are more than 60% chances you are able to close the deal at the end. Yes, just try to make a bonding, just try to make a rapport with that person, because when you are doing a sales conversation and you are not able to build up the rapport, then definitely at the end you will hear no, and no salesperson wants to hear that thing, because they are putting efforts, they are presenting the idea, they are presenting that product or services, they are making each and everything possible to close that deal, but at the end what they say, no, because of they did not build rapport with that person, they did not appreciate with that person. I'm not asking that you have to just appreciate your prospects, you have to give them genuine appreciation, genuine compliments. If you give fake compliments, people can easily understand that this person is giving me fake compliments, and they seriously ask why you are buttering so much, why you are not giving me clear things regarding that product or services, regarding your idea. So give them genuine positive compliments which make them smile, and after that it will build a bonding with you and your prospect, and definitely at the end there are potentially 60% more chances that you are able to close that deal. And I am not asking that you have to just appreciate your prospect, whatever the persons you meet in your life, whatever the management team, your real life persons, your family, relative, whatever the person you meet in your life, just appreciate them. It make them feel good. When your prospect feel good, and there will be more chances that that person will like you. And when your prospect will like you, what will happen? deal get closed, right? So try to make a warning, try to make that person will like you. So at the end you will hear yes, that I want to buy your product or services. So build a rapport. If you don't know how to build a rapport with your prospect, you can watch out that video. Video will pop in the I section. Okay, and when you are able to build rapport, there will be 60% more chances to convert that deal. So try to build rapport, appreciate that person in a positive way, so that person will like you, and there will be more chances that you can crack that deal. Third most important quality to become a successful salesperson, to become an influential salesperson, is learn every day to become better. Yes, learn every day to become better. I'm not saying I'm a most influential salesperson. I'm not the most influential salesperson according to another person, but I am. But I am most influential salesperson according to me. I'm not saying that I have overconfidence. I have confidence on myself. After that, I am learning each and everything on the daily basis, consistently. Yeah, I am learning the things consistently on a daily basis. I am reading books, sales books, marketing books. I am watching the videos. I am watching channels through which I can enhance my skill set. Do you know what is the money is the byproduct of wasting? Money is the byproduct of wasting. Let me know in the comment section what is your answer. Pause the video and comment down what is your answer. Definitely skills. Money is a byproduct of skill set. If you have better skill set, you can generate too much money. If you do have less skill set, you are able to generate less amount of money. It's simple and clear. So you have to upgrade your skill set each and every day by learning from books, by watching videos. In this channel, I am giving content regarding entrepreneurship journey, business journey, marketing journey, sales journey, and especially in this playlist, I am providing information regarding sales. So you can acquire all the information, because I am 100% confident. If you learn all the things whatever I am delivering in these playlists, then you are able to understand almost every concept of sales. Okay, so what you have to do, learn every day to become better. Try to listen podcasts, try to read books, try to consume more and more video content through which you can enhance your skill set. Fourth most important thing to become a successful salesforce person is not making the same mistakes again. I saw a lot of people who say that I have that much experience in sales journey, in marketing journey, but they are making same mistakes again and again, and that's why they are not able to close more deals. Do you know why? 70% salesperson, marketing person are not able to close more deals, because they are doing the same mistake again and again. Let's suppose you entered in a profession and you are facing failures again and again. Okay, not an issue. You are collecting experience for a better future. Okay, let's suppose you collect the experience, but you are not utilizing it. When you are doing conversation with any person, let's suppose I said I am not interested in that product anymore. Okay, that's an objection. That's a clarity that maybe you are not able to build rapport with me, maybe you are not able to give valuable information regarding that product or something. That's why I am not interested. So you came to understand that what is the reason why this person say this thing to me. Okay, when you are doing conversation with another person, then you are able to configure that when I say this, the reaction of that person is this. So I don't have to say this, I have to say this. Okay, what you are doing? You are just matching out the patterns. Just collect your experience. Took your experience with yourself when you are doing conversation with any new prospect, with older prospects. When you are doing follow-ups, you have to take experience with yourself. Okay, just understand this small thing and try to match the patterns. Because in sales journey, you are not talking to one person. You are talking to numerous amount of persons every day. So you have a lot of experience. So try to match out these patterns to those persons. So it will help you to close more and more deals, because it makes more chances that you are able to communicate with that person better, and that's how you will make a sale. Try to match out pattern and act accordingly. If you miss that point, then definitely 90% of the times you are not able to close that deal. 90%, literally. And what is the point? Care about your customers. Yes, care about your customers. Yesterday I am talking to a person who has 13 years of experience in marketing journey, in sales journey, and when I am conversing with that person, I am just checking what are the skill sets of that person. I am throwing many objections to that person. That person is trying to build a rapport with me, but I am not giving him a chance to build a rapport with myself. Okay, and I do a lot of things. I am just trying the things, whether that person have 13 years or experience really or not. And when I concluded, when I sum up all the things, when I conversing with that person, the experience of that person, not more than is 1 year. Definitely, that person are not able to cope up with my objections. As a salesperson, you have proper knowledge how to tackle these objections, how to tackle these rejections in a better way. Okay, so take your experience, everything with you, and try to genuinely care for that person. I'm not saying that you have to just take care of them, don't have to close the deal. You have to close the deal, but before that, you have to care about your customer. Let's suppose you are conversing with your prospect and you are genuinely caring for that person, and you are asking questions to find out the pain points of that person. When you get to know that these are the pain points of that person, then definitely you can present your idea, you can present your product or services in that way, so it can help the problem of that prospect. But let's suppose you are not caring that person, then definitely you are not asking proper questions to make the conversation in the right direction. When you are not able to ask right question, you are not able to get the pain point of that customer. And when you are not able to get the pain point, you are not able to present that idea in an effective manner. Okay, care about the customer. When you genuinely care about your customer, then customer feels this man is not just giving me presentation because to sell his or her product or services. That person genuinely care for me. Then I have to reward back. Then what happens? That your prospect will also care for you. Your prospect will also care for you, and this will help you to generate authenticity, credibility with that person. And when that person will like you, will care about you, then definitely what happened at the end of the conversation? Definitely you're going to make a sale. So try to generally care for that person, and try to make a bonding, not for just one sale, for future purpose also, because you will get referrals. If that person will buy your product or services, then definitely you will get referrals, and by referrals you can make more sales. So try to lift that game for a longer term, not for just one shot, not for just one sale. Okay, try to build a bonding which will lead the conversation in a better way. Generally care for that customer, and definitely there will be 90% more chance you can make a sale at the end of the conversation. And the last 6 point is the mood mantra of every salesperson. Yes, when you are pursuing your journey in sales or marketing, definitely you will face a lot of objections as well as rejections in your journey. Definitely, I agree with that. But when you are not happy, when you are not able to tackle those things down, then definitely you will be a person surrounded by a negative persons, and definitely at some point there will be a saturation in your life and you dump that profession. So don't get negative by the influence of those negative people. You have to remain positive from here. And how you can become this thing? You have to be happy for this. What you have to do, you have to generate a feeling of gratitude. Whatever the things you have to feel gratitude for them. You have 2 hands, you have 2 legs, feel gratitude for that thing. Maybe the person standing beside of you don't have 2 limbs, 2 hands. Okay, you have these things, feel grateful for that. You have a house, feel grateful for that. When you feel grateful for whatever the things you own in your life, then you will become happy. And when you will be happy, you are able to transfer your energy to your prospect. Do you know that law? Energy is neither created nor destroyed. It can be transferred from one body to another body. I am not teaching about science. I am teaching about sales and marketing. What I am trying to say, if you are positive, you can transfer your positive energy to that negative prospect. If you are positive, you can transfer your positive energy to that negative prospect, and definitely at the end of the conversation you will get a sale. But if that negativity shut you down, if that negativity will dampen your positivity, then how are you going to make a sale? How are you going to persuade that person? How are you going to convince that person that you have to buy this product or services to solve out your pain points, problem? So be happy. Try to transfer your energy, elevate your energy levels, elevate your positive energy, so you can transfer from your energy to your prospects and feel grateful for everything you have. When you are working in any business organization or in any enterprise, so there will be a set of rules and regulations. Do you know why these set of regulations are maintained in every enterprise? Because they are building a culture. Let's suppose you open a firm and you have 10 people in your team. But everyone is working according to themselves. Everyone is choosing their time. Everyone is choosing that I have to work in that project and not on that one. So what will happen? It will create a mess. It will create a mess, and definitely you will end up to shut down that firm. So it is too important to define certain set of rules and regulations which will help you to conquer the journey. So this is the culture of that enterprise or company. Try to maintain that culture, so on the longer term it will benefit you. Let's suppose you are maintaining that culture, you are absorbing these things in you, and after some time when you are going to open your business, when you are going to open your company, you have to maintain these things. So your employees, your every department must follow these set of regulations, and it will help you to build a culture in every department, because at the end the thing which make your employees stick to your company, to your enterprises, is culture. So feel gratitude, have a feeling of gratitude, and maintain a culture to lift that enterprise up to a next level. Okay, I already gave you 6 techniques to become a successful salesforce person, most influential salesperson. What do you have to do? You have to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon so you can get my video first, because I am uploading a lot of entrepreneurship, business related content as well as sales related content, so which is practical, not motivational, which is practical. Okay, when you are going to doing a conversation with your prospect, you have to close a deal. Definitely after that you will get your salary, incentives, whatever the things you are getting from that company or enterprise. What do you have to do? You have to watch out that video how to close 70% more deals. Check out this video guys.